Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Solomon Islands? The average annual gross salary is $2,880 or roughly $240 each month. After tax, the average net salary is $2,678 per year, or about $223 monthly. In Honiara, the average annual gross salary is higher at $2,966. That is roughly $247 each month. The average net salary there is $2,758 yearly, or about $230 per month. Pay can change with experience, skills, the employer, and shift work. Cleaners in hotels or large companies may earn more than those in smaller workplaces. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.